Hi YouTubers! I made this video to show you how to delete your videos and how to find your creative studio in your channel. How do you delete your video? Well, all the videos tell me to go to my channel first. And they all say look for your creator studio. And they all say look for your video manager. And it made me so frustrated because it's all wrong. You don't do that. You don't go to your channel, you go to YouTube Studio Beta. Okay? YouTube Studio Beta has nothing to do with every other video that I've seen. And now you're like, what's going on? It took me a few hours to figure this out. It's practically hidden. Now I can find where my videos are. Here they are. Oh, how in the world would you know that? There's really no easy way to find out. So you click on the video that you want to delete, click on those three buttons, and then you just click delete right here. And that is how you delete your videos. And that's how you find your videos in the YouTube Beta Studio, not your channel. So I hope that helps, and I hope that makes it really quick and easy for you with your future deleting on YouTube.